Here's how to use Copilot to create your YouTube thumbnails for you. So if you don't have an image editor like Photoshop or Canva, or you don't want to pay the price, or maybe you just don't know exactly what you would want to design, no problem, folks. If you have a Windows 11 PC, you have Copilot built in, and it can build, using AI, it can build your YouTube thumbnails for you. So the first thing you may want to do, depending on your video, you may want to open up your video editor and take some stills, some snapshots of your video. Of course, if you don't have that functionality in your NLE, in your video editor, you can always get VLC for free, throw your video in there, find some different areas, come up here to video, choose take snapshot, and that will give you an image of whatever frame you are paused on. So in this case, let's use a reference image. Let's say you take a picture of yourself or something that you want to use. It's going to be a video, let's say, about going to Japan, having fun in Japan, right? So I'll just grab the image of, we'll say, the person who went to Japan, and then I'll just prompt Copilot here. I need a YouTube thumbnail for a video about going to Japan and having lots of fun. Make the thumbnail so people want to click it and give it a fun theme. Of course, we could add whatever else we want in there, say make it anime, make it realistic, make it cinematic, whatever, right? So just click that, set back and wait, and boom, folks, look at that. That is a pretty cool thumbnail. Totally changed the pose of our person there. Japan adventure. That looks like a really viral, clickable image. Just that quick. Make sure we download it here, of course, if we want to use that on YouTube. Just that quick, man. No designing skills needed. Again, if you don't have the designing skills, you can always use that AI, Copilot AI, built into Windows 11 to create those stunning viral thumbnails for you. Now this time, maybe I'll use two different images for maybe a funny video called Cake Attack. So I need a YouTube thumbnail for a video about a cake attack. It's a funny video where a guy gets attacked by cake from above. Make it funny and gripping. Of course, use whatever other descriptors that you want. And you don't even have to use the reference photos if you don't want to. Look at that, man. Look at that. That is absolutely fabulous. That is so perfect. Cake attack. Falling cake. It up-resed that image. It made it clear, made it much, much better than the one that I fed it. That is absolutely hilarious. Of course, if you don't like it, you can always say, hey, redo it or something. Let's try that. Redo it in a totally different style. And yes, I spelled it wrong. It doesn't matter here. Again, that's another good one. Kind of change that style up overall. Cake attack. Awesome, man. And we'll do one last one. Maybe we're going to do like a product this time, some sort of a product review. I'll just grab, say, an image of this here. I could add other images, but we'll just go with that. And we'll try this. I need a thumbnail for a YouTube video. The video is about the Cellucor Reese's Peanut Butter Cup protein powder. Bodybuilding, muscle, fitness, etc. are the themes. Make the image viral and interesting. Of course, again, you can modify that however you want. Put your own image in there. Put an image of a bodybuilder in there, whatever you want. Give it whatever instructions you want. And of course, as we did earlier, you can even iterate that and ask it to do, something a little bit different, add some words, remove words, add people, etc., etc. And boom, there we go, folks. Now that is a viral looking image. That's an image that people would click. So that is an awesome looking image created in about 60 seconds, a little bit less than 60 seconds, right here in Copilot, 100% free. So if you have been struggling to make clickable looking images for your YouTube thumbnails, struggle no more, folks. Make those awesome looking YouTube thumbnails with just a quick prompt. Of course, add in your reference images if you want, and you can have something looking really awesome, really quick, 100% for free, right here in Copilot.